So finally, we get to try Maridori. This is an 8-trackwall building right in front of Power Plant Mall, Rockwell. So inagahan talaga namin because the place usually gets crowded during lunchtime and dinner time. So ayan nga pala yung menu nila, paki-pause na lang or check their FB or IG page for more information. So, ayan nga, ang saya-saya, 'di ba? Hindi na namin alam kung anong o-orderin namin. Ito nga pala yung beverages section din. At ito yung ambience inside. Small and cozy lang yung place, kaya it really gets crowded pag peak hours nila. So, ano nga ba yung orders namin? Ito yung chocone, basta parang ganon. Parang chicken longganisa siya na may dipping sauce. Egg yolk yun and parang savory, sweet na dip. Oo, masarap naman to. And yung next is yung grilled chicken with chahan or chahan with grilled chicken. Basta ang sarap ng rice na yan. At ito ang best of the best. Crossover ng xiaolongbao and gyoza. Ang sarap niyan. At ito yung, ano ba to? Basta papaitan shoyu ramen. Ang sarap din. Best seller.